Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Monday morning, it's the 16th day of December. Rich here we're calling this a special video because I want to get everybody's attention on a severe weather threat late tonight especially, and then through the wee hours of Tuesday morning. I hate these overnight severe weather events. You know, we have a lot of severe weather events here in our state. This one is perhaps is a notch higher on my concern level. I'm not trying to scare you. That does no good, but I'm going to bring you up to date on the new graphics, the new threat levels. I have some future radar to show you, and we'll show you how this all may play out, and then a big temperature plunge back behind it. Without any further ado, let's get started. Here's the setup early this morning. Low pressure around Shreveport, another one around Memphis, along a strong cold front that'll be affecting us this evening and tonight. We're in the warm air sector, and that's the setup for severe weather. Now, I know this map doesn't include South Alabama, but hang on. This is the Birmingham area of responsibility, showing the enhanced risk, the orange area, now as far east as Clanton and Montgomery. That's significant. The rest of us, everybody else watching this video, is in the level 2 area, and the timeline is slower. For instance, notice that central middle slot there, 7 p.m. to 2 a.m., places like Clanton and Selma, and then Montgomery on southeastward, 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. So that is a significant slower timeline. Here's the wider graphic from the Storm Prediction Center, and the idea is all of us, all the way to the Georgia border and down into southeast Alabama, will have a severe weather threat overnight tonight, including the threat of tornadoes and severe thunderstorms, and that could go till dawn, if not a little bit later. This is 1 o'clock in the morning. A couple of future radar snapshots that I'll mention, and there's a couple of discrete supercells out ahead of a broken line of thunderstorms in West Alabama at that hour. By 3 a.m., it's mostly one line, but it's moving into, let's say, Autauga and Lowndes and Dallas County by that time. And don't take that literally. We're just looking at ideas. And to the I-65 corridor, where it intersects with I-85 around 4 a.m. in the morning. Then at 6 a.m., the action is in southeast Alabama. Again, the tornado threat continues through the overnight hours into the early morning. So breezy and warm today. The chance of showers during the daytime hours small, but a 90% chance tonight. Today's high 75, tonight's low 50. Gusty south winds 12 to 16. Our weather app keeps you on top of the action. Get it on your phone or tablet today. It will instantly alert you to watches and warnings for your area, so put it next to you when you're sleeping tonight. It even has an audio cue. And not only do you need our weather app, but you should make sure your weather radio is in the alert position tonight. It's like a smoke alarm. It'll wake your family up if there's a watch or warning for your area. It's louder as well. Tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., the front has probably made it down to close to Panama City. It's windy and sharply colder back behind it, but the threat of showers continues. By 3 p.m., the shower threat is only in southeast Alabama. Falling temperatures during the day into the 40s during the afternoon. Wednesday's a cold day. We may not make it out of the 40s after a start around 29 in the morning. I think the coldest morning is going to be Thursday morning. Will be in the upper 20s all the way down to the Florida border, I think, on Thursday morning. So a cold morning on Thursday, but a chilly day. High temperatures only in the middle 50s for a high. That's well below normal. On Friday, a little disturbance brushes by. Could there be an isolated shower? I suppose, but I've got the rain chances small. And so far, Saturday looks dry and fairly mild. Will be maybe in the upper 50s on Saturday. Sunday looks like a nice day, so another weekend that looks trouble-free. So we're looking at a day on Tuesday that starts at 61, but falling temperatures, chance of showers at least half the day into the early afternoon perhaps. Then a cold day Wednesday, morning low 29, afternoon high 48. In the 20s on Thursday morning, we have a slight chance of showers Friday, and in the upper 50s, I think, on Saturday. Just a quick look at Christmas Day right now. It's way out there. This could change right now. Christmas Day looks dry. Maybe a storm system late Christmas week. And right now the temperatures look to be much above normal for much of Christmas week across not only our area, but across much of the eastern half of the nation. And that would be high temperatures well up in the 60s. Don't take that as a forecast yet. We're just looking. This is just some model ideas, okay? Of course, as we all know, we are into our secondary tornado season this time of the year, and on this date, 19 years ago in Tuscaloosa, an EF4 tornado killed 11, 125 injured. Terrible disaster, part of a 17 tornado swarm in 13 hours on this date in 2000. All right, so stay weather aware the best you can. Make sure the weather radio and my weather app is next to your ear if you're going to be in bed. You might get somebody in the family to stay up for this number of hours and somebody else to stay up for this number of hours so that everybody can get the word, okay? My next 24 hours is going to be very fluid. There will be no routine video tomorrow morning. You follow me? Because there'll be ongoing severe weather. When I normally produce a video, I'll be at the Blue Water Weather Center late tonight and doing my best to keep you on top of the action and ahead of the game. Have a good day today, and I'll talk to you later, okay? Thanks.
Rich Thomas Weather.